Charles Atwino yuno burema aha kuguru kumwe nagira ngo akabutunga aha myaka 14 kandi oburema obutwira bumberire kizibo
kandi twine tukumanyaga
romero ne myaka 14 namuga ibintu byampwaho twire nimbonabona
ogwayizire kuyambwaho abanyambabazi bebembirwa mwahore wo burisa bwa Kanyarugeri abamurondire gari yo kumuhwera
amwene gareji ndigisabira mu gisango twine mbere mu gisa ikayenti gisabira mu gisa abana bentu basabira mu gisa ibintu byo Yesu arikwenda ngo tukore wasoma Injili ya Matayo isura ya 25 umusorongo gwa 35 arihe bigambo birunje munonga ubunako buryahika Yesu ariyaba natwakira mbokamo bwateka tekirwe rero tugira ati nkabanye nenzara mwampereze byo kurya nkabanye niroho mwampereze byo kunywa
okongera haburemezi oburukoretwa butebasa ogwayina abana bana kandi obwo bona arukubarebera aha kajiko kitaka
gariye numugireba eyinsangire ayine kuyabira ayine agerezeho imyaka 9 nasaba abategeki nasaba ubuhwezi konko ubuhwezi bwabura nyenda kusimara hanga munonga abo kuba kunicira hayangambira twatandika kumurondera gari
inogo n'umuntu wo murema teine kwari teine nante teine na mbuzi teine na nkoko akajwaka ndashota kugombekera mu munyabuzare
konkana areba twina ryo munaku no kuguru kumwe twine na yetengo buyambi government ya Rwangisiriza ikwebemberwa mu 7 egumeho ere nshoberwa twine no munaku
Reverend Justus Amanya ariko mukwase garage asimira abantu abamuyambere kandi yashababo bona barukubasa kuba bino bhwezo bundi okuburabiza hasimo eyazero mushanje mukagi 5 09 14 30 eryo mazina ga Charles Atwine omugandi nkomuringo gumwe go kucendeza okutenguka kwamataka no kuboga kwemijera abatura nabebembezi abarihihe no mujera ogwampanga behanangirizibwe okurinde byo bhangwa ebigamberwe obwabakuru okurwa ministry ebyamizi nebyo bhangwa babire no babwabwanaho abebembezi nabo kujunanizibwa ombyo bhangwa omuchange cya Rwenzori kandi omukoro gubira hari charya courts omurembo rwa Fort Portal.
Especially those of you who are within the Mpanga catchment, I implore you to support the initiatives that the ministry has rolled out to embrace this IWRM Integrated Water Resources Management Framework.
Opteme emiti ruguru mu rusozi kandi kireterizo ubuzubwingi akuba sabiti nyakwira tukafwirwa n'abantu mu gombora ya Karangura habwa emiti kugitema cyaletereza amaizi kugenda mayingi gabakaba mu itaka.
Findings were found out around 32 wetlands within the city, and when it comes to the status of the wetlands within the city, most of them have been degraded.
Gladys Mirembe orukujunanizibwa ibyo buhangwa ahabwa Fort Portal City wenagira ngo abatura binji nibakira kombe ko myanye ebishara omubwire bwekiro.
In that some of them they do these activities at night. Sometimes you find someone at night at around 10 p.m. is dumping soil, and at that time, of course, the enforcement team of the city have already gone home. We have only one environmental police who is just one officer in charge of Rwenzori region, so he cannot even do anything alone at night.
And ebire byenyuma umukama akatwara yakebembera na wenka yagwa maizi gampanga kurora ngo tuyihamu uburufu bukaba bwingi muno ukatasobora kumaramu umbiro.
Omujera gwa Mpanga nugurabiro mu district ya Kabarore Kamwenge Kitagwenda Ibanda hamwe na Kiruhura gutyo gwegita omunyanja Eyarek George Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe na Gerbert Muhanguzi.